Hello, how is your day? I hope you are healthy with all your activities. Here I'm Ali Widiawati. We will present the topic of why does the use of motorized vehicles need to be reduced. For that, let's see until the end. Motorized vehicles such as motorbikes, buses, taxi, and trucks are objects that cannot be spared for human activities. This increase also greatly affects the condition of the surrounding environment. For example, an increase in air pollution. So, this cannot be overcome easily. This problem is caused by many people who travel with it for work and holiday. In connection with this problem, it is necessary to decrease the use of motorized vehicles. The first is the use of motorized vehicles must be reduced is the increase in air pollution. Need to know that motorized vehicles are one of the causes of air pollution today. This is because motorized vehicles can produce a smoke which will pollute the clean air around them. Based on International Journal of Energy Economics and Policy, the contribution of motor vehicle exhaust gas as a source of air pollution reaches 60 until 70%. In this regard, it can be correlated with the more motor vehicle users, the more of a smoke is produced. Of course, this could be a trigger for the current increase in air pollution, which of course can pollute the surrounding environment. The second reason of decreasing the use of motorized vehicles is because it badly affects the atmosphere, which leads to a global warming phenomenon. This started when the more motor vehicles users, the more smoke that produce. Uncontrolled smoke make the atmosphere or air hotter and then causing increase the air pollution and ending in a global warming phenomenon. In fact, a smoke for motorized vehicles contains compounds, for example, carbon dioxide or CO2, which if accumulated in the atmosphere, which cause global warming. Global warming is what makes the air on Earth feel increasingly stuffy and hot. As a result, the air that was originally clean and fresh become dirty and unhealthy. It is not surprising that if more motorized vehicle users, especially in the morning and afternoon, the air will feel hotter and uncomfortable. In addition, why the use of motorized vehicles must be reduced, it is causes fuel shortage. This is a real reason that also conquers the preservation of our natural resource. A gasoline is a natural resource that cannot be renewed. In order to get it back, we need to wait for tens or millions of years more from the decomposition of dead animals and plants. In connection with this fact, we can correlate the increasing use of motorized vehicles also has an effect on the depletion of engine fuel. This is because engine fuel or BBM is a like food for motorized vehicles, especially if we use motorized vehicle every day. Of course, this will have an impact on the engine fuel stock ability. So, from my explanation above, it can be concluded that there are several reasons in reducing the use of motorized vehicles, including the increase of air pollution, the worsening of global warming, as well as and causing the engine fuel or BBM to run low. Of course, with this reason, it can also be interpreted that the increasing use of motorized vehicles will have an impact on the health and stability of the environment.